Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about the paint bucket tool. We use this tool to change the color of the background. First we add a new image. I unlock the image layer, then I go to the tool and I choose the color I like. I will go with this color. Then I go to this empty space that shows the background and I click, and here we are. There are some spaces left, so I click on them, like this one. So this is how we change the background color. Now I will choose another image. I unlock the layer. Then I choose the color I like. And I click here, and here we are. We click on this tiny space left here. Now we get another image. Then again I unlock the layer and I choose the color. Then I click right here. I cover these tiny spots right here. And I can change the color like this. Now for the last image. Same thing, I choose the color. And I click on the background to change its color. Same thing if I want to change the color again. This tool works only with backgrounds with single color. So if the background had multiple colors, this tool won't work efficiently. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.